So beautiful. The vendors ruined the experience. We had the opportunity to visit this beautiful site. It was breathtaking, filled with history. The huge downfall is they allow vendors to line the site. The vendors are non-stop yelling at you to come see what they want to sell you while you're trying to take on the site. Completely ruined my experience. I would stand back and try to take a picture while someone would be screaming my ear, $1, $1. All I can say is, shame on them. I understand people need to make money, but I felt like it was not the place to be doing that. Outside the gate fine, but not on the inside. Should be a 5, but the vendors ruin it for me. Informative. The Chichen Itza tour was very informative, and we took a tour bus to get there, which was very comfortable. When we arrived, the tour guide showed us and gave us information about the historic architecture. It's an amazing place for those who want to learn a little of the history of the Maya civilization. It's a little tiring mainly for seniors and young children. Make sure to get a comfortable bus or van for the tour. Air conditioning is essential. Well done. We really recommend taking the early access tour of CI. They pick us up at 4:40 a.m. from our hotel in Cancun and then transferred us to a larger tour bus for the 2.5-hour ride. We had time to rest once our guide Marco got us organized. Before going to the site, we stopped at the Mayan village to get a blessing from a shaman and pick up bagged lunches. We arrived shortly after CI opened and had a chance to see the castle, ball court, sacrificial platform, and other structures before the Disney-sized crowds arrived. Marco is very personable and did a good job of explaining the Mayan calendar and math symbols. We spent almost 3 hours at the site. We took the express tour, which left a little early in the morning for me, but it was a 2-hour drive and well worth it. The express tour was great because we had a very small group, 10 or 12 people, and we could interact with the guide easily and ask questions. Take some US dollars along to purchase some of the local wear at very fair price. I bought a huge handmade beautiful blanket from one of the locals for $40. Being of poor economic status, I was willing to spend my money and buy great souvenirs to bring home. I bought a beautiful tote bag and now wish I had bought 2 of them. So useful and well made. They have things handcrafted out of limestone and homemade jewelry, and you can even get your Mayan calendar and necklace made of sterling silver. The history at this place was incredible, and the architecture amazingly carved, and even the layout was amazing, with how the Supreme King and Queen spoke across the playing field to other higher beings without others hearing due to the way they built the field. I highly recommend this tour with Cancun Adventures. Reasonable price, a great picnic lunch, a knowledgeable guide. Pay for the tour and then you don't have to pay at the door. They say in June to August is very hot there, but January was great. Small group was the best, and also time to walk around on your own. It's early, about 6:45 a.m., but back at the resort for pool time before 3. For more reviews, visit www.tripadvisor.com, or for best deals on flights, hotels, and car rentals, check the link in the description below. If you enjoyed today's video, you can give it a thumbs up or subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video.